Hello everyone, welcome to Jazz Robotics. This is a video series for Jazz Robotics Sensor Kit. In this series, I am going to be covering 15 basic lessons. Very soon, I'll release video series for 50 plus Arduino projects that you can do yourself at home using Jazz Robotics Sensor Creativity Board. So please like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss. To get most out of this series, I would recommend it to follow, and the links are in the description section of this video. Today we are going to be covering the first part of 15-part sensor kit series. The topic is NeoPixel ring with 8 pixels. In this lesson, we'll go step by step and cover the following points. First, we'll start with a quick introduction to the project. Then we'll see the components required. After that, we'll understand the circuit diagram and wiring. Next, we'll walk through the Arduino code. We'll also run a simulation demo before moving to manual connections on a breadboard. Later, we'll implement the same project on Sensor Creativity Board where all the connections are already provided. Finally, we'll test the complete working and conclude the project. Coming to the introduction, in this lesson, students will learn how to control a NeoPixel ring with 8 pixels using a Arduino. NeoPixels are individually addressable RGB LEDs that can be programmed to display a wide range of colors and effects. This project will introduce students to concept of digital lighting, color mixing and programming. Now let's look at the components required to perform this experiment. Here we need NeoPixel ring 8 pixels, microcontroller Arduino Uno, jumper wires, breadboard and USB cable to upload the code. Here NeoPixel, it has 8 rings. As you can see, it has pins of 5 volts, ground, D input. 5 volts is connected to 5 volts of Arduino, ground pin is connected to ground of Arduino, D in is connected to pin 8 as per our code. So let's connect everything to perform this experiment. Coming to the wiring instructions, connect the VCC pin of NeoPixel ring to the 5 volts pin of Arduino. Connect the ground pin of NeoPixel to the ground pin of Arduino. Then connect data input pin of NeoPixel ring to pin 8 on the Arduino. Optionally, we can place a 470 ohm resistor in series with data line for protection. If we are using capacitor, connect it across VCC and ground pins of the NeoPixel ring to help stabilize the power supply. We will walk through the code step by step and let's see what is in the code. First, we include the Adafruit NeoPixel library, which provides function to control LEDs. Then define pin 8 and numpixel 8. Pin 8 as data pin connected to the NeoPixel ring. Numpixel 8 because our ring has 8 LEDs. Neo GRB color order standard for most NeoPixel rings. Neo KHZ 800 the communication speed. Now coming to the setup function. In this we'll start the serial monitor at 9600 baud to print LED status. Initialize the NeoPixel with pixels.begin. Ensure all LEDs are off with pixel.show function. Serial prints let us track which LED and color is active. In the loop function, we loop each LED I equal to 0 to 7. Set the color to red, green and blue. Use pixels.show function after every color to update the LEDs. And add delay of 500 milliseconds so each color is visible for a half a second. This creates sequential color cycling effect across the ring. Now we create a rainbow animation. Wheel function generates RGB colors across 0 to 255 positions. I plus J and 255 shifts the color along the ring to create a flowing rainbow. Pixels.show updates the LEDs. Delay 50 slow down the movement so it is visible. This repeats 256 times to make smooth color transition. Now coming to the wheel function, this function generates rainbow colors, maps a value from 0 to 255 to an RGB color. We also have serial prints to print which LED is currently active, prints its color, prints when the rainbow effect starts. This is useful for debugging and demonstration, especially for a simulation scenario. Now let's start with the simulation demo of this experiment. Arduino Uno connected to NeoPixel ring 8 LEDs. Data pin connected to 8. of Arduino. 5 volts is connected from the Arduino. Ground is connected to ground of Arduino. We are uploading the same code as we have discussed earlier. Cycles each LED through red, green, blue off and off sequentially. Then runs a rainbow effect across all LEDs using a color wheel. Prints pixel index and color to the serial monitor for debugging and demonstration. Now let's run the simulation and watch the serial monitor first. Each message corresponds to an LED lighting up in the specified order. On the simulated NeoPixel ring, pixel 0 lights red, then green, then blue, then turns off. Next pixel 1 repeats the cycle, so on until pixel 7. After that, all LEDs display a smooth rainbow effect showing a flowing color pattern. Serial monitor output helps us understand the sequence. When LED is active, what color it is showing, when the rainbow effect starts. We can adjust delay times to make LEDs faster or slower. Colors in the set pixel color function. Number of LEDs if using a larger ring. This makes a NeoPixel ring highly flexible for creative projects. So in this demonstration, we successfully able to complete individual LED control, RGB color cycling, rainbow effect, serial output tracking, each LED and its color. NeoPixels are perfect for interactive lighting projects, displays and indicators. Now let's look at the manual connection demo for this experiment. As we have seen earlier, this NeoPixel 8 LED ring has 3 pins, 5 volts, ground and data in. It is connected to the breadboard, and from breadboard it is connected to Arduino Uno. 5 volts is connected to 5 volts of Arduino. Ground is connected to ground. Then data in is connected to the 8th pin of the Arduino. For stability, you can add 1000 microfarad capacitor across 5 volts and ground to prevent flickering when all LEDs are bright. Now we'll upload our Arduino sketch. Once uploaded, you will see LEDs light up in red, green, blue and off subsequently. After the cycle, rainbow effect will start showing all colors across the 8 LEDs. Now you can see the colors. We also added serial print statements in our code so that we can open the serial monitor at 9600 baud to see which pixel and color is active. This helps in debugging and teaching what the code is doing in real time. So that's how you can control a NeoPixel 8 LED ring using Arduino. We can create custom color patterns, effects and animation by modifying the code. Let's perform the same experiment using sensor creativity board. Here we just need Arduino Uno, sensor creativity board and NeoPixel. It has 8 rings and the USB cable. Now we will connect the Arduino Uno to the sensor creativity board. After that, we'll integrate the NeoPixel as per the pins. In the code we have given D input as 8, 5 volts and ground. We are inserting as per the connections. After this, we'll upload the same code as we have discussed earlier. After uploading, NeoPixel will start light up sequentially. LED 0 as red, 1 as green, 2 as blue. After cycling through all LEDs, rainbow effect begins, showing a colorful animation around the rings. The sketch has serial print statements. By opening the serial monitor at 9600 baud, we can see which LED is active and its color in real time. This helps understand what the code is doing, especially in demonstrations or debugging. You can see the colors glowing up. Here is the serial monitor output of our NeoPixel 8 LED ring experiment. This console shows exactly what LED is active and its color at any moment. At the start, code prints NeoPixel ring demo starting and confirms that ring has been initialized and all LEDs are off. This is a good checkpoint to ensure board and library are working correctly. The first LED pixel 0 cycles through red, green, blue and then off. Each color is printed with a timestamp it showing when it changes. This corresponds to color cycle code in a loop. The same sequence repeats for pixel 1 through pixel 7. You can see LEDs light up one by one just like the code cycles through each pixel in the for loop. After that LEDs complete the basic color cycle. The code prints starting rainbow effect. This indicates that rainbow animation function is now active. During the rainbow effect, LEDs continuously change colors. The console output shows each pixel and its current color. Helps us tracking the animation. The wheel function in the code determines these RGB values. You can see the timings between print matches the delay function in our code. Pixel 0 lights first, then each subsequent pixel showing the sequential effect. During rainbow, colors flow smoothly across all LEDs. The serial monitor is very useful, confirms LEDs are cycling correctly, shows timings and color sequence, helps debug the code in real time. Coming to the conclusion, in this lesson, students gained hands-on experience with NeoPixel and learned how to control them using microcontroller. They will understand the principles of digital lighting, color mixing, and programming. This project can be expanded further by encouraging students to create their own patterns and effects, fostering creativity, problem-solving skills in electronics and programming. Thank you for watching.